What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another GONG Studios video. I'm Jerry.
I'm Joey.
Today we're gonna be swapping snacks from our cultures.
Yes, our culture. I am Korean.
I'm Filipino.
Yes.
And so I'm gonna be trying 5 different Korean snacks, and then Joey's gonna be trying
5 Filipino snacks. I'm very excited.
Me too.
Very excited. Yes.
I've actually seen some of these, but then the rest of them, I have no idea what to expect.
I think I've heard of like one of these, and I haven't tried the other ones. Before we get into the video, we would like to remind you that we have a Patreon. You can become a patron today, and you can get many exclusive benefits like my K-pop reactions, game content, live streams, early access, all of that. So, and access to our Discord, so check it out.
You can also give us suggestions of things we should react to and have a chance to get featured in one of our videos. So
let's get right into it then. First snack.
Alright, so
I have here golden sweet corn.
And I have here onion flavored rings.
Onion flavored rings. Okay.
Yes.
Onion flavored rings? Those are like such a classic Korean snack. I don't know why there's an onion character on it now. There wasn't before.
This guy headphones and sunglasses and shit.
It's very different from Funyuns. You would think they're like similar,
really,
but they're not.
I was expecting Funyuns for sure.
Yeah. It's like a different texture, and the flavor is like kind of different too.
This golden sweet corn, that's also like, I don't really like know like any popular, or these like are the popular Filipino snacks, but like they're not like popular, like no one else knows like, yeah, like those, that's just like a good Filipino snack that I had growing up, or whenever I saw it at the store, I would be like, can I get, and my mom would be like, no. But then sometimes she would be like, okay.
Damn.
Those are always good. I love those.
Let's just try them out.
Yeah, these are just right here are like different than these. It's just me, like Asian snack, like chip bags or whatever, have like a different kind of plastic.
Oh yeah,
snack
they're like,
they have like,
they're like tough.
Yeah, they're like thicker.
Oh, let me go get scissors.
Exactly, my point proven. These smell like
just
straight Funyun. These say it has wheat.
Whoa, look at that.
Corn flour.
The balls.
The rings.
Oh, it smells like it smells a lot like these Korean corn chips here. That same like artificial, maybe not artificial, but the corn flavor.
Like the corn flavoring?
Yeah.
Are we going?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Oh wait,
cheers.
let's cheers. Yeah.
Cheers.
Oh.
It's like a lighter Funyun taste.
Oh, I see.
That
makes sense.
Oh, you taste a bit more
This
onion.
kind of tastes like cereal, you know?
Oh, yeah,
Kind of
totally.
like similar. Yeah, it tastes like cereal, kind of. But it also has like that corn flavor. It's not as strong as I thought it would be, you know? Looks good.
These are good too. These are like a very light Funyun flavor.
I would get these just when I go to an Asian store.
Yeah,
just pick these up, you know?
Yeah. These are, I don't know why, but I love eating like ring flavored things. They're just really fun.
They're like fun shapes, you know?
Huge! Let's go!
I'm so good. But that one has a little more flavor in it.
That's because you threw it.
Yeah. These are really good though.
These are good too. I give these 8.5 out of 10. I rate very high on things.
Honestly, I really like these.
Yeah.
8.25. Yes.
Okay.
let's move on to our next snack. This one is chippy. It's barbecue flavored corn chips. Yeah.
Those were my favorite growing up.
Oh, really?
Those were my favorite chips growing up, dude.
Okay.
Those, like, I love those. They were kind of spicy to me, but I feel like knowing you, it's not gonna be spicy.
Yeah,
but
he
to
has
me,
the
growing
worst
up,
spice tolerance.
I got
pronounce that.
But okay, just reading it like this.
Yes.
Just reading it, I'd say it's pushu pushu.
Okay, that's very wrong, but that's not your fault. It's just how it's spelled. It's pusho pusho. Yeah.
Pushu.
So, what do you think it is?
It's noodles, but
Yes.
like instant ramen noodles. But like it says here, don't boil it, smash it.
Yes, it's instant. It's like the same. It's like, you know how you eat raw instant ramen sometimes? Like some people do
Yeah.
it.
Like you
But
just
this is like, that's like hard, you know? So this is more like suitable for eating just raw.
this is just made for this.
It's made for that. So you
Interesting.
crush it, you add the powder in, and you mix it up in the bag, and then you eat the pieces of it. It's really good.
That's
I
actually
like it.
sweet.
I think that's my favorite one actually.
Oh yeah, I got bulgogi flavor.
Yes. That one's a very popular one. Let me just open this.
I'm gonna try it. I don't know how to open this.
Looks like corn chips, like Fritos kind of. It's got that shape.
This is just straight instant ramen. Have you tried boiling it?
I think so. When I tried boiling it, it like kind of disintegrates because it's like cooked more than a regular ramen, you know?
Yeah. It looks very thin.
Oh, by the way,
Okay.
this is kind of like
go
an
smashing it.
experience. Yes, it depends on how big you want the pieces. I usually like them like kind of medium size, you know, like this big. And then you take it. Yes.
And then I grab the spices.
Yes, it's like, you see, they made it like exactly the same as like how instant ramen looks like.
Oh yeah. I want to try it without any seasoning, so I'm just gonna.
Okay. I guess I'll just go right into mine too then.
That's straight instant ramen. Wow.
Oh. It's less corny than like Fritos,
Yeah.
but it's like everything.
Those are my favorite growing up. I loved chicken.
It's not like Lay's barbecue. It's like a different barbecue, but it's a good barbecue.
Now I'm gonna.
That's the fun part. You gotta mix it well, you know, so everything gets coated well. So just grab a piece and eat it.
Oh, it smells so different now.
It's a whole experience.
I made mine kind of fine.
Like if you just had like the regular instant ramen soup, then that would be way too salty.
Yeah.
I love that snack. Oh
Oh.
my gosh.
Oh wow. This is so good.
But yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah, it tastes kind of like Lay's barbecue.
Oh, I guess yeah. This is
is
kind of
so
sweet,
good.
you know?
I'm just grabbing it by like the fingerful and. Oh my god! We're just gonna sit here and finish our bag.
Okay, oh yeah. So, honestly, compared to the sweet corn, I think I like the sweet corn better. Not gonna lie. I want to bump the sweet corn up to 8.5 actually. And this will be at 8.25.
This is addicting. It was like one of the things you can't stop. I'm gonna rate this one a 10 out of 10.
Damn.
This
That's
was like-
crazy.
No, it was like a full ass experience, and who doesn't love to eat like the instant ramen, like right out the bag,
Right.
without boiling it or anything? And this just makes that experience like better. This is like this is crazy. I love this.
Okay.
So yeah, 10 out of 10.
Yes. Should we move on to our next snack then?
Next snack.
Da-da-da.
I got these crab chips.
Yes. Can you get the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a sec.
Mhm.
Oh, get a snack. Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are like kind of, there's like a different brand version that's more popular, but I think those would give it like the same flavor, like same basically. The shape is different though. And I got the cheese ring. I was gonna say cheese rings, but it's cheese ring. Cheese ring snack. There's a little character.
I have actually never had those. On
Oh, really?
My older sister and younger sister always got that, and then like we share it. But I usually wasn't like, or they'd usually get like clover chips actually instead. But Joey couldn't find clover chips, so he got that instead.
Unfortunately.
And, yeah.
I can already smell the cheese, man. Damn, I did not expect it to look like this. They're
Let me
like
see it.
little mini ring things. But they're like
orange.
yeah,
they're tiny.
I didn't think they would be so orange. They look more yellow on the packaging.
I'm so strong.
Focus on this thing.
Whoa.
Focus.
He's berry in shape. Like on the package, it looks like super uniform. But then in here, there's like some long ones. It's like it's interesting.
Oh, can I see the one? Oh my!
Cheers.
My face is just in there. Oh yeah, cheers.
Whoa. These are a lot softer than I thought.
Whoa, they're sweet. I did not expect that.
They're sweet?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of got that, you know, that Kraft mac and cheese vibe going on. And you kind of would expect that by like kind of the look, but I did not expect them to taste sweet, you know?
These are way softer than I thought, and they're basically shrimp chips.
Oh yeah.
Like you know those like
the
tube version.
Yeah.
Some like a little bit of some spice. Not like spicy, but like there's like red stuff on it.
Honestly, like after I ate like a few more, like I think I could eat like all of these right now. It's like the combination is actually works really well.
These, yeah, this is familiar to me. This is straight up shrimp chips.
Damn, I really like these.
You like it?
I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10.
Word? Really?
Legit? Yeah, I'm surprised
Really?
myself.
You like those more than the chippy and the sweet corn balls.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Damn. I like. Yeah, these are just shrimp chips basically, but crab. And I love shrimp chips and I love these, so these are pretty good. Yeah, these are good. I give these like an 8 out of 10 or a 7.5 out of 10. These are good. These are good. 7.5 out of 10. I give these. Want a bit more for sure.
Oh. Okay, next snack.
Next snack.
Da-da-da-da.
Chocolate pie.
Chocolate pie, the classic snack, dude. It's like similar to a whoopie pie, even though I don't really know what a whoopie pie is like. I don't think I've eaten a whoopie pie, but I know it. I heard it's similar. So it's got like that marshmallow inside, chocolate, the little cakey inside.
I think I've had these before.
Very classic snack.
I don't remember.
I got boy bawang.
Boy bawang.
Oh, bawang.
Boy bawang. Yeah, those. I can like sit down and eat those by the handful. Those are very nice.
With real garlic chips. It says there were a lot of flavors at the supermarket.
Yeah,
I forgot what they were.
There's adobo. There's like garlic. Those are the two I can name.
Ooh, it's like it's kind of similar to like a Chex Mix, I guess.
I've never gotten the snack mix, so I don't know what you're getting in there. This one looks very nice.
Oh.
And here we go. Oh wow. It's so soft.
But since I got the snacks mix, it's like pretty similar to like how Chex mixes, you know? Except it doesn't have like the stuff you don't want that much. The flavor's pretty good.
I'm not usually like a huge dessert guy or chocolate guy, but this is good. It's like super soft and like.
Yeah, I'm not that big of a chocolate guy too, but I like it. Taste the garlic. There's peanuts. These cracker things. I don't know what else is in here, but it's like different crackers. This is the peanut, I think. Maybe not. The crunchy. You got the garlic flavor. It's like it's a good garlic flavor.
These are like one of the slow snacks in my opinion. Like I can't sit down and down 100 of these. I have like I could sit down and maybe have like 2 of them.
Oh yeah, all of the ones I've had are. Oh, I could eat a lot of them. But here's a problem. So, I think they're really good. They're like really addicting. I like the garlic flavor. I like the nuts, and the crackers in this are actually really good too. I would give this an 8.5. So same as the golden sweet corn.
Now I am not usually a huge chocolate person, but I do love marshmallows, and honestly, really good. I give this like an 8. Those are delicious. My family's gonna love those.
Last but not least. So
I got pepero. Did I say that right?
Yeah, it's a little more like pepero, you know?
Pepero?
Yes, the Korean Pocky.
Yeah, they look just like Pocky. I got the choco filled, and then I got the regular stick biscuit and chocolate.
So I got another Balang flavor, or corn. Oh, this one's cornic.
That one's
adobo flavor.
Those are all the corn nuts.
So I know it's like a chicken adobo. It's like
chicken adobo.
Nation's food, right?
Yep, that's like a staple.
So I'm planning on making it and trying it in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But I am interested to see what the flavor is going to be like, because I don't know what a chicken adobo tastes like.
Yeah, I'm going to try the regular first. So, this is...
Oh, it's a very strong flavor, or scent.
These look like... Yeah, these are just straight up Pocky.
Decide what you like. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. This is a very subtle flavor. These are like... They're like a darker chocolate.
I haven't had pepper in a while, so I'm not sure actually if I like it or not.
Also, the chocolate's thicker, I think, here. Like barely.
I like this actually. I don't know what you would call a flavor. Adobo.
Adobo. These are good.
But I don't know what I would say is similar to this.
Now let's try. Whoa, these are so... These are like Slim Jim size. These are so thick. Look at these.
Yo, they're thick. Oh, they're like the pet joy things. I don't know
pet joy? But look at that. Look at the size difference. You could fit one of these in there. I'm actually gonna try that. Okay, I probably shouldn't be playing. Okay, I'm just gonna try it now. Whoa.
Does it taste the same?
It actually doesn't.
Oh,
it breaks a lot easier, and then also like you definitely taste a lot more breadstick. The chocolate is definitely not there as much of this stuff.
Definitely more breadstick.
Mostly breadstick.
What do you prefer?
This one. This is like all breadstick basically.
Surprise! This is my favorite one.
Word?
Yes, I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Word.
I could genuinely eat like so many of these. Oh my gosh.
It's the one you like
Really
said the least about. That's crazy.
Not the strongest flavor, you know?
Mm-hmm.
It's good flavor.
Yeah, those are good. I give these an 8 out of 10. And then I give these a 7.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Those are like, I'm not usually a big chocolate guy, you know? So like, you know. But then these are good. Like I eat these. These are about like the same. Yeah, they're both are good. Let's see, what is it?
Damn. What, you a rabbit, bro? We just tried all of our snacks.
Mm-hmm.
I liked all of these, honestly.
Me too. Let's rank them.
My final ranking. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. I like all of them.
Damn, put my favorite at the bottom. Let's see how
I'm
it is.
sorry.
Number 1, I gotta definitely go with the pusha. This was an experience in itself. Both. Number 2, gotta give that to the onion rings.
Oh, onion rings.
I gotta go with. I'm gonna go with the choco pie in 3rd place. These were good. A solid ass dessert. And then in 4th place, I gotta go with crab cakes. These were good, but they're basically shrimp chips. But they were not crab cakes, crab chips. I mean, these were good. And then, oh wait, shoot, I put these in 4th, and then the crab cakes in 5th. I changed my mind.
Crab
the pepero is in 4th. Crab chips in 4th, or crab chips in 5th, and then pepero in 4th. These were all really good, so it's kind of hard to rank them.
Yeah, we went through all these crab snacks. They were all very good. I have never tried any of these actually, so I was pleasantly surprised. And yeah.
Try pusha. Very good.
Try
Recommend.
everything here. Everything.
Oh yeah, try everything actually.
They're all good.
But pusha is goated.
So I'm gonna do the ending, okay?
Good.
So thank you everyone for watching this video. Remember, become a patron today, and also like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Watch our other stuff. Thank you so much, and goodbye.
Bye.
Do you want the best in Asian fashion today? You can get clothes, makeup, jewelry, accessories, all from YesStyle. Use the code JOEYSONG or the link in the description to get 5% off. Go check it out. Thank you.